In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install apps from the GoHighLevel App Marketplace. First, make sure you're logged in and looking at your GoHighLevel dashboard. If you have access to multiple accounts or sub-accounts, confirm you're in the right workspace before you begin. This helps prevent installing an app in the wrong place and keeps your setup clean. Next, head to the left sidebar and open the App Marketplace. This is your central hub for extending GoHighLevel with extra features, automations, and integrations. Think of it as a curated catalog where each app is designed to plug directly into your workflows. Once you're inside the marketplace, you can browse categories to discover new tools or use the search bar if you already know what you're looking for. Take a moment to scan through options and narrow your choices by category or solution type. When an app catches your eye, select it to learn more. Opening the app's details page is where the real decision-making happens. Review the feature list, supported use cases, and any prerequisites. Check whether it requires a specific plan, a third-party account, or additional costs. This page often outlines what data the app needs access to and how it integrates with your existing GoHighLevel assets, which is helpful for planning. When you're confident it's a good fit, click Install. You may see prompts about which account or sub-account to connect. If the app has a paid tier or a free trial, you'll see that indicated here as well. During installation, you'll be asked to grant permissions. Carefully review what the app is requesting, things like access to contacts, campaigns, or automations. Only proceed if the permissions align with your use case. You can usually adjust or revoke access later if needed, but it's best to start with exactly what the app needs to function. After that, complete any required setup. This could include signing in to a third-party service, connecting an API, choosing which pipelines or calendars to sync, or mapping fields. Keep any necessary credentials handy, and follow the on-screen prompts until you get a success message. If an app offers test or sandbox options, consider using them to validate your configuration safely. Finally, confirm the installation. Look for the app under your integrations, connected apps, or the dashboard. Run a quick test, create a sample contact or trigger a test event to make sure everything is working. If available, pin the app for quick access and verify that team members who need it have the right permissions. That's it. You've successfully installed an app from the GoHighLevel App Marketplace. Thanks for watching.